all the voters, irrespective of any odds, any challenges, would be casting their vote either from home or coming at the polling station and doing it. So we are seeing here, today we are here in Mapsa, wherein one of the polling booths here is completely meant by officials who are persons with disabilities. It shows a lot, it shows a commitment, it shows the capacity what the persons with disabilities also carry, and the Election Commission of India giving them an opportunity to showcase that yes, they are also an integral part of the government bureaucracy and the government machinery.
Out of 725, 8 booths are meant by persons with disabilities. Okay, out of it, these two are in Mapsa. One of these and one more is there in Mapsa. Okay, then in North Goa there are 5 total, and in South Goa there are 3 booths exclusively meant by persons with disabilities. Apart from that, there are persons with disabilities who are working on the booth along with other staff. Okay, the person without disability. So that also promotes inclusiveness. Around 43 such booths are there, wherein our person with disabilities employees working in hand in hand with the person. You might see all the facilities, assured minimum facilities available here, the ramp, accessible toilets. Okay, we have also given most important voters badge, okay, assured minimum facilities, and then beautiful dummy bell ballot paper.
Indian democracy, how the election conduct कशें जाता तें पळोवपा खातीर स्पेशली गोंयांत मंगोलिया आनी भुतानाचे टीम आयिल्ली आसा. सो ऑलमोस्ट भुतानाचे ऑलमोस्ट 40 members and the major delegates आयिल्ले आसा. They want to see how the electoral procedure going in a democracy of largest democracy in India, how it is conducting the election. Some of these are they have worked with Bhutan people as the presiding officer there. So to experience and hangcho experience. So especially they surprised to see आमी आमचे normal procedure तरी जाले. We have found some especially ladies पूण booth केले आसा ते तेमी visit करून पळयला. So Mapsa constituency we have given 2 booths specially people. They are called PWD special. तेमकां आमी ते booth कित्याक केले की तेमकां encouragement दिवपा खातीर, and for that they also surprised these people also can do this type of job. Because normal करता तो इथं everyone knows तुका खबर आहा इलेक्शन ड्युटीचे कशे हे आसता ते. सो आमी तेमकां ते प्रोसिजर दाखयले की म्हापसाक 2 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, म्हापसा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक 2 पार्ट आसा हांगा, पार्ट नंबर 22 and part number 10, and entire team is of presiding officer to PO1, PO3 हे सगळे आसा. ते सगळे आमचे PWD स्पेशल पर्सन, and ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता हिंगा 410 लोक आसले. Almost 50% तेमी जॉब केलो आसा, and from morning onwards they have done very smoothly. Thank you.
And we are very thankful to the government, especially Indian Embassy in Bhutan. It's quite inspiring to see the election process in India, in a huge democracy, is progressing well, and the polling is going so smooth. Especially the pollings in Goa, they are very functioning smoothly, and each polling stations you have a thematic sections, you have considerations for PWDs, you have considerations for female. So it's inclusive voting that we should consider, and this would be a lesson that we would be taking back to Bhutan.
I feel that it's a really inspiring initiatives in India you're doing, because since globally the trend to election turnout is decreasing, we would like to promote our voters using this way, like this kind of initiatives. So I have experienced so much of new things to be learned. And as for Mongolia, as a democratic, we are expecting our parliamentary elections in June, and I will definitely tell our election officers to actively engage with this kind of encouragement to our voters.